My view is that the best way to learn a software programming language is to read the official language specification a few times, then to actually practice writing code in the language, then executing and testing the code as much as you can. A number of authoritative modern C language specifications are available on the internet. This is my modern C language usage overview. This is a very simple presentation. I might add additional content later. Instead of going over the details that are already in the official language specification, I present only the C language construct and usage technique or outline that I keep in mind when I write code in the modern C software programming language. As a software code writer, in any and every software programming language, you always use a very limited number of different types of software code constructs, and you use a very limited number of software programming language usage techniques. I review and keep in mind the following C language constructs and usage techniques when I write a software program in C. Splitting C code into multiple files, using C preprocessor, declaring and using data variables in C, declaring and using functions in C, using pointers in C code, writing expressions in C, writing statements in C, asynchronous programming in C, exception handling in C, writing, testing, and debugging code in C, documenting C code, writing microspecific C code, writing Linux-specific C code. I review and keep in mind the following C runtime library, CRT usage categories when I write a software program in C. Collection types in C runtime library, string processing in C runtime library, using regular expressions in C runtime library, string internationalization in C runtime library, file I/O in C runtime library, network I/O in C runtime library, memory allocation is in C runtime library, process and thread control in C runtime library, searching and sorting in C runtime library. For more info on the aforementioned C language construct and usage techniques, refer to one or more of the C language references that I've mentioned earlier. C, in my view, although it's old language, is a very exciting computer programming, software programming language. Some of the most important software programs are still being written in the C language, even in AD 2023.